by and take a look at the 2023 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.